Hello students, very warm welcome from Professor V.N. Zokare. I am recording this lecture to give you an information regarding an NPTEL course that is going to be held from July, that is 20th of July 2000, that is 2020. So I am sharing my screen to give you the details. So as we can see on the screen, we can log into the NPTEL Swayam website. For that, you just have to type NPTEL Swayam in the Google address bar or Google search engine and click on NPTEL Swayam. Once you get into the website, you are going to log in here. So I will just show you how to log in inside the NPTEL website so that you will be comfortable. I'll sign out and then I will log in again. So here there is a sign in button where you can sign in through your Gmail account. So use your Gmail account to sign in. So it has sign me in and then search for Japanese. Then you can go to the course which is Introduction to Japanese Language and Culture by Professor Vatsala Misra from IIT Kanpur. It's a 12-week course and it is starting from 20th of July 2020, as you can see here. The enrollment ends on 27th July 2020. So there is ample of time, but you can just go and click on this course and enroll in this course as soon as possible. Since I have already enrolled, it is showing me go to course, but to you people who are new to this course, it will show you a button called join course here. So you can click on join and you can join through your NPTEL profile. So you can make use of the NPTEL profile and join the course. The course is very interesting and it will be giving you an introduction to Japanese scripts and particles, introducing oneself, and it will teach you to introduce yourself in Japanese. Then interrogative words, conversation with time expressions, negative form of verbs, and all the grammatical aspects of Japanese and all the phonetic aspects, how to pronounce the Japanese language, then permission, how to ask for a permission, how to seek approval in Japanese, and then filling out sample forms and conditional form of verbs. So basically you will get a good knowledge about Japanese language so that you can pass various levels of Japanese language in the future. And going forward, you can opt out for an opportunity in any Japanese company in the future. So basically understand that due to COVID-19, we are all locked down and this is a very good opportunity to learn a new language in this lockdown phase. And I suggest, and it's an appeal to all the students to subscribe to this course, join this course, and even to all the faculty members to ask the students to join the course, and also faculty members can join the course to learn Japanese language. So with one technical course, we can actually opt for another course which is related to a language. So basically, this is a very good opportunity for all of us to learn Japanese. And they have given some reference books. Till then, we can refer these books if they are available on internet in the PDF format. And we can just go through these courses. This was all about the course, that is a Japanese course. And I will come up with more such courses if I find some interesting courses anywhere on the internet. Maybe it is any other site other than NPTEL. I'll be giving an information to you. Thank you, students. I hope this was very beneficial to all of you. And that's it. Here is Professor V.N. Zokare signing off now. And I will come up soon with more lectures on different courses. Thank you. Thank you very much.